Welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing, and today we've got something a little different from the usual figure sets. This one is the Airfix French Line Infantryman 1815, and instead of giving you a whole army in a box, this kit builds just one figure, standing at 54mm tall. Now because it's just a single figure, the detail here is a bit more refined. You can really see the folds in the clothing, and even the features on the infantryman's face, which is a nice step up from the smaller 72nd scale sets we've been looking at. And of course, with the extra detail comes with the challenge. You'll need some precision brushes and a steady hand to get the most out of this one. The kit itself is fairly small, and at first glance the instructions look pretty simple. But don't be fooled, there's probably going to be a fair bit of cleanup needed on these parts before you start painting. That's the nature of these older kits, and half the fun really. This is the sort of project for someone who enjoys figure painting in its own right, rather than building whole units. Have you ever given figure painting a go? It takes some patience, but when it comes together, the results can be really striking. So that's the French Line Infantryman 1815. A compact kit, packed with detail, and definitely a challenge for the skilled painters out there. If you'd like to see more single figure kits like this one, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more retro unboxings.